In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas browser to enhance your browsing experience and tap into the power of AI assistance seamlessly. Now, whether you're someone who's just looking to explore more efficient ways to gather information online, or you're simply curious about how AI can support you in your daily internet activities, this guide has got you covered. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the ChatGPT Atlas browser. This tool provides a clean and streamlined interface, making it easy for you to access and research information across the web. Once there, you'll notice a search bar that resembles those in other web browsers. This is your gateway to the entire internet, allowing you to type in the URL or the name of any website you wish to visit. Go ahead and enter the address of a website that piques your interest, and then simply click on it to load the page. Now, as you're exploring the website, take a glance towards the upper right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll find a convenient feature that enables you to ask ChatGPT for assistance directly. Clicking on this will open a small tab on your screen, adding a new layer to your browsing experience. This is where you can directly engage with ChatGPT, asking it questions and requesting information on anything that comes to mind. To illustrate just how useful this can be, let's dive into an example. Suppose you're interested in knowing the current trends on Pinterest. This is a popular platform with ever-evolving trends that can be quite fascinating. Simply type your question into the newly opened tab. What's the current trend in Pinterest right now? Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT processes your request and provides you with insightful, up-to-date information based on the data it can access. This is the beauty of having AI integrated into your browser. Instant, relevant answers at your fingertips without the hassle of switching between multiple tabs or devices. This process not only saves you time, but also enriches your online experience by providing context and depth to the information you seek. As you continue to use the ChatGPT Atlas browser, you'll find that it can assist you in a variety of tasks, from understanding complex topics to keeping up with the latest trends across different platforms. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to use the ChatGPT Atlas browser to its full potential. Remember, the more you use it, the more intuitive and helpful it will become. Don't hesitate to explore different kinds of inquiries and see how ChatGPT can help you unlock a world of knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the seamless mix of browsing and artificial intelligence at your command.